What's up, guys? This is the second one for AC problem uh, this morning. So 1993, the Mazda MPV. Okay, this vehicle got the problem is, as you can see right now, the gear. I put in neutral right now because no way to put it back to the P position. No way. Okay, anyway, that's why the owner told me he keep driving like that for a few months with the key in ignition like this. And when he said for overnight, and then he had something here to cover the key, don't let someone borrow the vehicle. If someone has see the key in here, okay, can I borrow the vehicle please, and break the window, and your vehicle will be on trouble. Okay, anyway, the vehicle, the customer complains also no AC. Okay, as you can see, the blower motor is stopped right now. Let's start the engine. As you can see, the engine run right now. I try to turn on the AC on. Okay, I go under the hood and see what we have there. Now, I don't know if we can able to see in the video the AC condenser fan, a little fan in front here. I see it running. But I don't know if you guys see in the video. Anyway, let's see. Look at the AC compressor. Oh well. I don't. What the hell? Okay, guys. Right now, I have the lights turned on right there. And for you guys see, right now the AC compressor, okay, hopefully it doesn't hurt my hand. Yeah, AC compressor right here. I can spin it and you can see the pulley and the clutch spin together. What that means? That means the AC clutch engaged right now, and you see right there the AC bell tensioner right there. I don't want to touch it with the engine run. Okay, let me turn off the engine and we'll check something more. Okay, guys, turn the engine back to off and then turn the AC to off. No matter what. Okay. I see the AC bell is not there, but when you work on car, no matter your vehicle, your own vehicle or the customer vehicle, in this case you see no bell right there, you have to think about why the bell is not there. The bell become no good and break off by itself, or the AC compressor gets stuck and tensioner gets stuck. You have to check before you have the direction to go. As you can see, and you can see the mark on the tensioner pulley. I can spin it. And what about on the AC compressor? I can spin it And then as you can see right now, the pulley only, the clutch is not engaged right now. And what happened if when the clutch engaged, inside the compressor gets stuck and then also broke the belt. Okay, let's see, go back inside the vehicle. This one, the old school vehicle, we cannot take the key out. That's why beep 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 every time we, yeah, the key on right now, guys. And turn that before you can, we put the power here. Okay, right now the AC on, and let me spin. You can hear in the video the condenser fan is running right now, but that means I don't worry about AC free and pressure. But I would like to find out why the belt broken. Okay, as you can see, I spin the AC compressor with the clutch engaged like this. You can see both together spinning. Okay, and then first thing we think about, everything, the pulley all here okay, we put the new belt on it first. We should tell the customer, okay, go ahead and put the new belt on and see what's going on after that. For example, right now the compressor, you can spin by hand like this, very slow, it's able to spin. But when the engine speed, maybe get stuck. And I don't worry about the main pulley there, because the engine run is okay. Just tensioner pulley and the AC compressor pulley. Right now I can able to spin by hand. So first we put the new belt on and see the AC back to work, or when the engine runs, the engine speed, we got a problem again. Okay guys, the air hose here removed. I don't need to put it back in right now because I don't really need it. You see right here, just let it open like that. Anyway, I have the new belt installed, everything's secured, and 14 millimeter nuts on the tensioner pulley has been tight. Okay, anyway, back inside the vehicle and run the engine, turn the AC on to see what's going on. You get some cold or not. I have a little guy here right now at about 80, 90 something degree, guys, outside. Okay, I put some in the vent here, and as you can see, so hopefully turn the key back on, the AC off right now. I will start the engine. Okay, the engine run right now. Double check it again. Sorry for flare. As you can see right now, 90 degrees something, maybe 92, 93 right now. So let's turn on the AC. Yeah, I have the AC on and check on the temperature. Oh yeah, I see it drop right now, guys. I see the temperature drop right now. Sorry for flare. Oh man. Okay, I put some there for better for you guys to see. Okay, I got about 70 degrees right now, guys. Maybe when I talk on the phone, in the video, you guys don't hear me because the wind from the air blower motor is touching my microphone, camera microphone, and then the mic doesn't work. Okay, anyway, yeah, we have the pen here. Okay, go under the hood and see. Yeah, we have the good. Look at the square, the lower hole. Yeah, I feel cold. Yeah, you see, right now the temperature is at about like 50 something degree, maybe 55 or maybe 52. Let's run us some more with the window up and see. What I would like to do to see if we got enough field for AC system. Let me turn the fan in it too low, see. Okay, I got it. Yeah, right here guys. The temperature is at about right there and good enough for AC system. So when you ride on the highway and the condenser cool down and the temperature will get a little more lower than this and good for AC system back to work normal. So let me turn off the AC, okay, and turn the engine off. And guys, don't be a part changer, very very important. If you guys see, like in the video, I see the AC belt not there. I have to find out why the AC belt not there. Stuck pulley, broken the belt, or when we try to spin the pulley all smooth, no any problem. But when we turn the AC on, inside the compressor gets stuck and also broke the belt. We have to make sure everything, the belt just run around like $10-15. But if you tell the customer, okay, put the new belt in, and your problem might be fit, and later the new belt broken again, and your customer will say, oh man, this guy blah blah blah. Okay, anyway, but when I told my customer, okay, you got somehow the AC belt not there and you need the new belt anyway, but I should tell you, when we put the new belt in with the engine speed, with the AC on, we never know what happened occurs after that. And my customer say, oh yeah, okay, just put it in, see what's going on. And anyway, the customer will be happy with this. AC back to work. And that's it, guys. Again, don't be a part changer no matter what. Like in this case, the belt came off somehow. If you see that you put it in, you might get a problem after you install the new belt. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.